Good day everyone, welcome to my channel. So in this video guys, we'll talk about what is changelog. Before we start, I would like to say thank you so much to all my viewers, silent viewers, and supporters in my channel. Thank you for watching my videos. If you are new with my channel and then you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. So let's begin. What is changelog? A changelog is a list of documenting all of the steps you took when working with your data. This can be helpful in the event that you need to return to your original data or recall how you prepared your data for analysis. Okay guys, so this is the end of my report on what this changelog is all about. Thank you so much for listening and watching my videos. If you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. See you in the next video tutorial guys. This is your friend Jake saying bye bye for now.